Dear students, see the next one from 9th standard Force and Law of Motion chapter, NCERT exercise problem number 8. See this question. First of all, we read the question. An automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kg. Okay. What must be the force between the vehicle and the road if the vehicle is to be stopped with a negative acceleration? This is important point. Negative acceleration of 1.72 meter per second square. So now they are asking the force between the tire of the vehicle and then the road. So please listen, it's so easy. See the solution. Now let's consider one vehicle, maybe one small car. It is that car, like Maruti 800, because maybe its weight is less comparing with the heavy vehicle. So the mass of this vehicle is given, that is 1500 kg. Then here the acceleration is given, negative acceleration. So negative acceleration means maybe the driver to apply the brake here, so its acceleration is going to reduce. So that acceleration is given as 1.72 meter per second square, but negative acceleration, that is retarding acceleration. Okay, so maybe the vehicle after sometimes going to stop. Okay, so but now what they are asking, what must be the force between the vehicle and the road? Okay, so you know very well, here the car is moving forward direction, so this is road. So there is a frictional force between, there is a frictional force. So it is the car, it is the road. So the road is fixed, road is fixed, road will not move, but the car will move forward direction. So anyhow, it is rest position, another object is moving, there is a relative motion. Okay, so to produce the friction, so the frictional force is developed in between the tire and the road. So this is it's a frictional force. Frictional force between the road and tire. So therefore the frictional force F is equal to the mass of the vehicle and then acceleration of the vehicle, that is negative acceleration. So therefore F is equal to, what is the mass of the vehicle is 1500 kg into acceleration minus 1.72 kg meter per second square. Otherwise we can write this unit one time, 1500 kg into acceleration is 1.72 meter per second square. So 15 into 1.72. So first we want to multiply 15 into 1.72. Okay. So now we can say, so first second table. So 2 into 15. 2 into 15 means that is 30 times will come. Next 7 into 15, that is 105 will come. 105 will come. Next 1 into 15, 15 will come. So 0, 8, 5, 2. Okay, so please listen. Right. Okay, so now we know that this is 1500, so we want to add 2 more 0, then 2 decimal, we put to 2 decimal here, so we can get the answer is, that is 2580. 2580. It is a force unit is Newton. This is frictional force, that is from what? That is deceleration or negative acceleration. So we can say the answer is the force produced between that tire and that road is, that is 2580 Newton. This negative sign is represent what? That is a frictional force. It is acting in opposite direction to the motion of the vehicle. Okay.